Hello students, myself Dr. Sarika Sawant. Today I'm going to show you how to search newspapers in ProQuest. Okay, for that you need to go to publications. You have to see this particular bar. On this particular bar you have basic search, advanced search, publications. Click here on publications. The moment you click on publication, you will able to observe there are almost 24,677 publications in the ProQuest. Okay, so you are searching newspapers, so you have to click on newspaper. I'm searching for the newspaper that is called as Economist. Okay, so here all these publications are alphabetically arranged. You can click here by E on E. So the moment I click on E, it is again reduced. It is showing 1310 publications. Okay, so you can scroll down and find out, but instead of this you can type here Economist. It will be very easy to find in this E alphabet, okay, in this 1310. So you can select in title, so the word newspaper, the word Economist that I want on the, in the title, that is title of the newspaper. So when I click here on the search, yes, I'm getting 28 publications which contains the word called Economist. See, I have not here typed the proper name of the newspaper. The proper name of the newspaper is The Economist. Okay, so I have put it only Economist. So I'm getting 28 publications. So here you can scroll down. See, The Economist Online London. Okay, so this is what I am looking for. Okay, so you can just click here. And here it is, this Economist newspaper. The coverage of this ProQuest is having full text coverage from 2008, and right now you can see the issue that is yesterday's paper. You can see here. So if you click here, you can scroll down and you can locate the earlier newspaper also, the Economist. Okay. So we can click here on 12th and you can see the issue. So in this issue means what? It is going to show us all the articles that are there published in the Economist. Okay, so it is not like how we visualize or how we think of newspaper. Okay, so this is what they have given about newspapers. So if you click here, so there are only 4 items of 12th July, The Economist. Okay, so these are the 4 items. One of the 4 items I have clicked. So you can see here, I think there are articles which has been published. Okay, so almost I think 4 to 5 items per newspaper are available for The Economist. So if you click here on the 9th July, so there are 6 items from the 9th July it is showing. Okay, we can go back to the publication and we can find out the other newspapers also. Okay, so when I click here, I will click here newspaper again. Once again I can type here DNA. DNA is also a newspaper. Okay, before that I would like to type here, select here D, and then I want to type DNA in the title and now search. So there are total 6 publications. This is the DNA newspaper, environmental DNA, mitochondrial DNA, mobile DNA, but I'm looking for this DNA daily news analysis. Okay, so you can observe it here. So ProQuest has a coverage since 14th August 2009, and it has got issues up to 9th October 2019. So you can just click here and view the 9th October issue I'm viewing. So they have almost 90 items of this particular newspaper, that is DN. Okay, so these are the 90 items you can go through. Of course, these items will get retrieved whenever you search something from the simple search as well as from the advanced search. But if you are searching for a special newspaper and you want to locate a particular issue of on a particular day, then you can obviously choose this method of searching newspapers and the locating the news. Okay, so thank you very much.